Hey there, Dave Nason here with another video about the ARX Vision Headset. In this video I am going to use the short text reading feature and test out how that works with the headset. I'm going to compare it to the performance on my iPhone using the Seeing AI app. So it'll be interesting to see how the two perform. I think there's definitely a convenience benefit to using the headset, particularly if you're doing a lot of document scanning or things like short text. But is the performance as good to make it worthwhile? That's what we will see now. What I've done is I've got 3 pieces of junk mail, basically, which I'm going to test with the 2 devices. So I'll pick up the first of those and see how it gets on. So we'll unfold this. I don't know which way around this goes, if it's folded or not. Okay, so I'm going to use the headset first.
Scene detection. Document scan. Short text.
Okay, short text mode there, so let's see how I get on with this.
Parenthesis. TTEE 0 Soretto 0 UOG Buns IAAQSAACAs No Sudas 3 So 66 DG Suoso FU Do UDBOIRS ULL 54067 EADSS 9NO47.
Not getting a huge amount from that. I'm going to try the other side.
NOODB. Sesto Favor Sal. Donnybrook Fair Fantastic Savings in all stores Nay offers end the 6th of November. CUSTONER Favorite Sale 1 RISH here Beef Fill Steaks C14.99 WC Sove. Favor Sai.
Just going to hold it a bit further away.
FRNPEAS. DONNYBROO Fantastic Savings in all customer favorite sale. Idle.
Okay, so as we heard there, we got some results eventually where it said Donnybrook Fair, which is the name of a shop here, and about a sale on some of the food, but there was also a lot of stuff it didn't read too well as well. I was holding the document about a foot or two away from my head, kind of in front of me. I think it should have been within the view, and it seemed to be picking up the document and it read it to a point. So let's see how Seeing AI gets on with the same leaflet. So we're in short text mode, and let's see. I'll flip it over to the side I had first. The other one.
Fantastic. So fantastic all. Over 6 November. Customer who writes sale SKTCHDLTK chicken garlic and herb / hot chili €5.99 each double egg prawns per kilograms €24.99 was C32.99 Oliver Riesling €17.99 save €12.99 save.
Okay, and I'll try the other side.
Save C2.90 channel short text adjustable.
Try the other side.
Ellipsis C fantastic sale over 6 November Irish Hereford beef fillet steaks pack €14.95 was C22 sale Irish channel adjustable.
Okay, so I think we had better results there with Seeing AI than with ARX. I will say that I'm more used to using Seeing AI, and with Seeing AI I can see when it's in the frame, whereas because I have some residual vision, I'm used to using it, and to an extent I can see when it's in the camera frame. Whereas with the headset, I'm still kind of learning how to frame. I will say that, but definitely Seeing AI gave me better results there. So let's try the next one. Okay, don't know what this is either. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the headset.
Scene detection. Document scan. Raise document. Short text.
Text again. Okay.
Euroacti. Shads. Nth. ARPOs for acna. WOEINITD 31 DIPO AEAD Spirit Genus DPay.
Okay, I'm going to try the other side.
1. Get ready to sparkle this season with cosmetic injections from Therapy Clinic Cosmetic Injections 50 Use of New Client Boyer Anti-Radical Injet and Cinemal Fillers RADUC Phenol ARKGLE His Say 50 Cosmejectic 50
Okay,
Get ready to sparkle this season with CO5 ETI INEC from Therapy CIIC Cosmetic Injections 50 off. Idle.
okay, so we got some results again there. It took me a little bit, but after a while I seemed to hit a sweet spot with it, and it did get some results. So I know that it's a leaflet about a cosmetic surgery clinic advertising to me. So again, I'm going to try and seeing AI and see how that compares.
2042. CVI menu button. Choose. Terra what shoes? Terra click. Yours no. Aesthetic click. Book what shoes? Terra what shoes? Terra click. Yours no. One mega aesthetic click. Below 2% hair credit back all purchases. Below celebrating 20 years in business. Below over 10 leading treatments performed to date. Below over 200 doctors by our expert team. Below over 65 state of the art clinics in Ireland and the UK. Quick help button.
Okay, just stopped it there, but it this is the side that I couldn't get any real results with the headset there, but the first side. So seeing AI has read that pretty well. I'm going to flip over to the side where I did get some good information from the ARX.
This season. Get ready to. This season. With cosmetic injections. From Terra Clinic. Cosmetic injections. Exclusive new client offer. Off. All anti-wrinkle injections. Dermal fillers. Profile wet. Skin. Fine lines. Terra Clinic. Free consultations at 5 Your Clinic. TodayTherapyClinic.com.
Okay, it seemed to read a little bit more, but similar enough results on this side of the page. The ARX one picked up a 50% off, which seeing AI didn't seem to. So mixed results there, but on the whole, seeing AI again, I managed at least to get better results from it. And the final piece.
Red Friday sale. Offers. Gifts. Shop the ID Friday sale from 10th November, 1st December. Red Friday. Offers. Gifts. Shop the ID Friday. Red Friday sale. E-sale. Offers. Gifts. Hurry up.
Flipping it over, okay. And that's seeing AI on the final one, and then ARX on the final one. I did them the wrong way around, I guess.
Scene detection. Document scan. Short text.
Okay.
Shade. Euroactive.
Try bringing it a bit closer, maybe.
Nori. 1.
I'm going to bring it right up to it and then move it away slowly to see if that helps.
L. 20. NRO.
I'm going to try the other side. Okay, so I'm not having much luck with the ARX, and again, I've already done this one with seeing AI, but let's just check it again. And straight away there, I'm getting the Red Friday offer.
81.
Where
1.
it's not having a whole lot of luck with the ARX on that one, unfortunately. So that's just a quick test of.
Idle.
Put that to sleep. So that's just a quick test of the short text feature. That's just 3 pieces of junk mail. I'll keep playing around with it and see if I can improve my results. But at the moment, yeah, I'm definitely finding seeing AI a lot more productive than the ARX Vision with doing the short text. Again, I think one of the key differences is with seeing AI, you're holding the phone and maybe you have a better grasp of, even if you can't see it all, you may have a better grasp of kind of whether the thing is in frame or not if you're holding it in front. Because the camera on this is on the side of my face, maybe it's harder for me to judge the framing, but even when I tried, moving around quite a bit, I still, and different distances, I still struggle to get clean results and seem to get clearer results with seeing AI every time, really. But that's my experience of the short text feature on ARX Vision. Definitely has some potential, but I'm struggling to get really good results at this time anyway. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.